Hey guys, this is a quick announcement. I'm not going to be discontinuing the countdowns. I'm just trying something new and I just took a little break from the countdowns because I'm running out of ideas. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Sorry if it's a little short. In the mid-90s, the sandwich chain Subway used to broadcast a low-quality commercial for their subs. Unlike their usual commercials, this particular ad used amateur actors, poor production quality, and cheap effects, similar to local TV ads or a public access show. Based on these factors, it is believed that the commercial was not officially made by the main Subway corporate office for national promotions, but instead was used to promote local franchises. The commercial started in a cheap, mountainous scene with a black background on the mountain. Was bald, middle-aged man with a mustache and a Middle Eastern appearance. This man was groveling in front of an old bearded sage. The bold man asked the wise sage to show him the ways of the true perfection, which the sage told the bald man, "Perfection can be yours. Take your hunger to Subway subs," which made the bald man seem puzzled. Next, there was a montage of Subway subs with a voiceover describing how the foods are true perfection, which showed a text that which read on the screen, "Perfection," which was dissolved with a cheap animation effect. Finally, the commercial ended with the bald man excitedly proclaiming Subway, taking a large bite out of the sandwich, and then saying, The lost commercial was brought to attention of the internet in February 2019 by an artist named Julius von Bonk, who uses the moniker of Baron von Bonk on social media. Julius made a mini documentary to chronicle his search for the lost commercial. In his video, he reenacts the commercial, sympathizing with the use of Lego puppets. The animation, according to Juvis, he recalls seeing this commercial frequently shown on TV in the South Central Pennsylvania. Juvis posted his video on Reddit and immediately gained entry of multiple users, some who recalled seeing the commercial, but for other restaurants such as Mr. Sub and Quizo's. Julius's documentary, he mentioned that he grew up in South Pennsylvania in the mid-90s, where people on Reddit claim to have watched the commercial in Kentucky, the Midwest, and Canada. With these facts presented, it's theorized that the commercial was produced by a small advertising agency for the generic sandwich restaurants, and that the Central Region subchains licensed its usage. In Julius's memory of the commercial must have been licensed by Subway chains in the East Coast, while simultaneously being licensed to Mr. Sub's and Quizo's restaurants in Kentucky, Wisconsin, Illinois, and Ontario. Julius's videos were shared by users such as in subreddits as r/at Asked Reddit, r/Lost Media, r/videos, and r/Meltime videos. Various Redditors claim to have recalled watching the original commercial itself, but no video of the commercial has ever resurfaced.